Today we're out at the local range. I got the PAP M92 AK-47 pistol, chambered in 7.62 by 39 millimeter. And we're going to be doing accuracy testing. I'm going to see if I can personally hit anything at about 35 yards. We got a 12-inch target out there. I'm going to be running 124 grain full metal jacket Wolf ammunition. Let's load it up and see if I can hit anything with this beast. A couple of those I just launched down there, I ain't gonna lie. Let's go see if I got any of those on paper. I know my ears are ringing, that's for sure. I got less than half on paper. I think there's 13 there. But the rest of them were real close. I mean, they weren't real far away. If there was a deer or any wildlife or anything down here at 35 yards, I think it'd be dead. Let's patch these up and give her another mag. Once again, I got about half on paper. I think a little less than half, maybe 13 or so. But they're all right in that general vicinity, right around the 12-inch target and on the target. So that's accurate enough for anything I need to take care of, that's for sure. And a lot of that was my shakiness, so did pretty good. I suggest if you don't have a PAP M92 AK-47 pistol, you should go pick one up. I just love how this thing runs. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you next time.